Hello girls, I'm Dr. Surangna and I welcome you to yet another episode of Women Health Series by Lifestyle Speaks. Today's video is about important healthy habits that we women need in our life for our physical and mental well-being. And like I've always said, we all need healthy habits in our lives such as regular exercise, eating nutritious foods and proper stress management. But other than them, there are many other healthy habits that we women should incorporate in our life, of which we may be aware or may not be aware of, but it is important for a strong and healthy body and also to make a body feel good. These habits are really very important for the health of all women, but sometimes they are either ignored or not taken into much consideration. But it is important that we adopt them in our life so that we can feel fit, fabulous and energized. आज जो मैं बात करूंगी वो बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि मैं बात करूंगी कि हम महिलाएं और कैसे स्वस्थ रह सकती हैं। कुछ ऐसे स्वस्थ आदतों के बारे में बात करूंगी जिसके बारे में शायद हम नहीं जानते हों या जानते हों, बट ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम उन्हें अपने ज़िंदगी में अपनाएं क्योंकि इससे हमारी ज़्यादा अच्छी सेहत बनेगी और ये बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है। Like I've always said in many of my previous videos, we women are living much busier lives than before. And this results in letting go or slipping down of some of our priorities which are mainly related with our own health. तो समय की कमी की वजह से और क्योंकि हम लेडीज़ अपने हेल्थ को इतनी प्रायोरिटी नहीं देते, उस वजह से क्या है कि हो सकता है हम इन हैबिट्स के बारे में जानते हो पर हम इसको अपने ज़िंदगी में नहीं अपनाते, और ये भी हो सकता है कि हम इसके बारे में नहीं जानते। तो आइए इनके बारे में जानते हैं, जैसे कि आप अपनी ज़िंदगी में इनको अपनाएं ज़रूर से ताकि आप बहुत हेल्दी रहें लॉन्ग टाइम तक। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। When we talk about healthy habits, it is very important that we women schedule regular health checkups for us so that we can detect any potential problems at an early stage. तो regular health checkups हम ladies के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है और हम ये बात जानते भी हैं, बट हम अपने काम में व्यस्त रहते हैं या किसी और रीज़न की वजह से हम इसको टालते रहते हैं। हम सोचते हैं अच्छा 2 महीने बाद जाकर हम करा लेंगे, फिर 2 महीने के बाद हम सोचते हैं अच्छा 4 महीने बाद जाकर करा लेंगे, और ऐसे हम इसको टालते रहते हैं। पर ये बिल्कुल भी सही चीज़ नहीं है, हमें रेगुलरली अपने चेकअप्स कराने चाहिए। Some of the essential tests and checkups that we women need to go for on a routine basis are: first, blood pressure and cholesterol level screenings to assess the risk of heart disease because we women are more prone to heart disease. The normal blood pressure range is 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury and normal cholesterol levels is less than 200 milligrams per deciliter. Second is the pap smear test, where cells from our cervix are basically examined to screen for cervical cancer. And third is mammograms, which is important for screening for breast cancer. Fourth is blood glucose and thyroid hormone test, which is basically used to check for diabetes and thyroid. Normal result for a fasting glucose test is 100 milligram per deciliter or less. Normal result for TSH hormone, which is the thyroid stimulating hormone, is 0.5 to 5 milli-international units per liter. Normal range for T4 is 5 to 12 microgram per deciliter, and normal result for T3 is 80 to 220 nanogram per deciliter. And lastly, it is very important that whenever we go for our health checkups, our height, weight and body mass index is also assessed. तो ये सारे टेस्ट जो मैंने आपको बताए, ये रेगुलर बेसिस पे कराना हम लेडीज़ के लिए बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी है। Maintaining a good daily feminine hygiene is very important to prevent irritations, odors or infections from happening. And it is just as important as we maintain the hygiene of the other different parts of our body. But sometimes it gets overlooked. तो feminine hygiene बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट क्या होता है कि हम कई बार इसको overlook करते हैं, बट हमें इसका hygiene वैसे ही maintain करना चाहिए जैसे कि हम अपने other body parts का करते हैं, जिससे कि हम irritations और infections से बच सकें. For good hygiene, we should clean our intimate areas regularly with water and a mild cleanser. We should not use any strong chemicals or strong cleansers. तो हमेशा हमें अपने इंटीमेट एरियाज को माइल्ड क्लेंजर से क्लीन करना चाहिए। कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग केमिकल्स, कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग क्लेंजर्स नहीं यूज़ करना है। वी शुड ऑल्सो बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हेन वी यूजिंग द पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स। तो जब भी हम कोई पब्लिक टॉयलेट में जाते हैं तो हमेशा हमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान और थोड़ा ज़्यादा हाइजीन फॉलो करना चाहिए। And also we should ensure that we always wear comfortable clothes and we wear cotton underwears over synthetic ones, especially during the summer seasons. This is because it helps to absorb excessive moisture and prevents yeast infections and itching. And lastly, we should ensure that we take special care during a menstrual cycle. तो हमेशा हमें अपने menstrual cycle के टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान और ज़्यादा हाइजीन मेंटेन करना चाहिए. From a health point of view, it is very important that we women keep a track of our periods. And now with advancement in technology, it has become very easy for us to track a menstrual cycle. तो अभी आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हमें अपने पीरियड्स क्यों ट्रैक करने की ज़रूरत है हेल्दी रहने के लिए, बट ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is because any changes in our menstrual cycle can be a sign or indication of some potential health problem which may or may not be related with the reproductive organs. And a regular cycle may become irregular because of hormonal issues or because of certain health conditions such as thyroid or diabetes. Many apps are nowadays available which can help you to track your periods. You may use them for your convenience, or you also can use the calendar method. I personally use the Flow app for tracking my periods, but you can use any which is suitable for you. Even taking care of our skin is very important for having a good health. तो अगर हम अपनी त्वचा का अच्छे से ध्यान रखेंगे तो उससे हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. Our skin is the largest organ of our body, and skincare is an essential part of maintaining good general health. Skincare involves daily washing of our face 2 times a day, using a good moisturizer so that the skin stays hydrated, and always wearing a sunscreen. तो अच्छा स्किन केयर क्या होता है कि हम हर दिन अपना फेस 2 बार धोएं अच्छे से पानी और साबुन से, एक अच्छा मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करें जिससे हमारा स्किन हाइड्रेटेड रहे, और हमेशा हम एक सनस्क्रीन ज़रूर लगाएं. This can ensure a healthy and beautiful skin and can also help it to maintain it and keep it that way. Also, if we take care of our skin and we follow a proper skincare routine, it can further motivate us to follow a proper diet and exercise routine, which can lead to a healthy and happy us. Oil massaging of our body is very important. Oil massaging has many benefits. It can improve blood circulation in our body. That can help to eliminate different toxins from our body. It can enhance the body's flexibility. It can improve our mood. And it is so much good for our skin because it can keep our skin healthy and also prevent skin dryness. हमें ऑयल मसाजिंग रेगुलर बेसिस पे करना चाहिए जिससे हमारा हेल्थ अच्छी बनी रहे. और बेस्ट टाइम उसके लिए क्या है कि नहाने से कुछ टाइम पहले 1 घंटा या 30 मिनट्स पहले आप अच्छे से अपने बॉडी में ऑयल लगाकर मसाज कीजिए और उससे आपकी बॉडी को बहुत अच्छे बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे. सो वी शुड डू ऑयल मसाजिंग ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस फॉर अ गुड हेल्थ. हेल्थ ऑफ अ माउथ इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो हमारे जो माउथ का हेल्थ है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, पर इसको हम ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. दो वी ब्रश आवर टीथ twice a day, there are certain areas in our mouth where a brush cannot reach, such as the area between our teeth. तो अगर हम दिन में 2 बार ब्रश भी करते हैं तो भी कुछ ऐसी जगह है हमारे माउथ में जहाँ हमारा ब्रश नहीं पहुँचता, जैसे हमारे दांतों के बीच का एरिया, और इस वजह से प्रॉपर क्लीनिंग नहीं होती. और इसके लिए डेली फ्लॉसिंग बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो डेली फ्लॉसिंग कैन रिमूव प्लाक्स एंड कैन प्रिवेंट प्लाक बिल्डअप इन आवर माउथ, एंड दे कैन ऑल्सो प्रिवेंट बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शंस इन आवर माउथ. And if we do proper flossing and proper cleaning, then we can prevent this bacteria from moving from our mouth through the bloodstream to different parts of our body where they can cause further infection. So for the good health of both our body and mouth, daily flossing is very important. तो daily flossing ज़रूर कीजिए हमारे body और mouth के good health के लिए. Eating nutritious foods and eating a balanced and healthy diet is important for all of us, whether it's men or whether it is women. But we women have special nutrient requirements during our different stages of our life. And so it is important that when we eat a healthy diet, we include foods from all the different food groups, and the foods that we include in our diet, they cover all the required nutrients which are needed by our body. तो हम ladies को कुछ ऐसे nutrients होते हैं जिनकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होती है. तो जब हम एक हेल्दी डाइट फॉलो करें तो ये ज़रूरी है कि हम उन फूड्स को ज़रूर से अपने डाइट में इंक्लूड करें जिनमें ये सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स हों. तो आइए जानते हैं कि ये कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं जिसको हम अपने डाइट में इंक्लूड करना चाहिए. द फर्स्ट न्यूट्रिएंट इज फॉलिक एसिड और फॉलेट, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर रेड ब्लड सेल फॉर्मेशन. And if you're planning to get pregnant, or if you're pregnant, you should surely include folic acid in your diet so that you can prevent neural tube defects in the baby. And foods that are rich in folic acid are spinach, broccoli, beans, nuts, etc. The second group of nutrients are your B vitamins such as thiamine or vitamin B1, riboflavin or vitamin B2, niacin or vitamin B3, biotin or vitamin B7, which is very important for cell growth and energy production in our body. And foods that are rich in B vitamins are eggs, avocado, fish, poultry, beans, nuts, and dairy products. Third group of nutrients is iron. Generally, we women have very low levels of iron in our body because of heavy bleeding during our periods or because our body is not able to absorb iron from our diet. And deficiency of iron can lead to anemia. Therefore, we should include more of iron-rich foods in our diet, which I've discussed in one of my previous videos, whose link can be found in the description box below. And it is very important that we eat iron-rich foods along with vitamin C-rich foods such as citrus fruits, so that there is more increased iron absorption by our body. तो हमें हमेशा iron rich foods को vitamin C rich foods के साथ खाना चाहिए, जिससे हमारे body में iron absorption ज़्यादा हो. The fourth group of nutrients is calcium. Osteoporosis is a very leading health problem which is found in women, which may arise because of the deficiency of calcium. And in many different studies, it has been observed that the young woman's calcium intake is much lower than the recommended daily intake. But it is very essential that we include more of calcium in our diet because it helps to maintain healthy bones. And dairy products are one of the best sources of calcium that we must include in our diet. The fifth group of nutrients that we women must include in our diet is vitamin D. And this is because in many studies it has been found that about 78% of women are deficient in vitamin D during their childbearing years. But this nutrient is essential for our body because it allows for efficient calcium absorption by our body, which is important for maintaining healthy bones. And this nutrient is also needed for reducing inflammation in our body and for enhancing immune function. Foods that are rich in vitamin D are egg yolk, cheese, and fatty fishes such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna. Sunlight is the best natural source of vitamin D, so we should try to at least spend 20 to 30 minutes daily in the sun so that we can get enough vitamin D. Stress management is very important, like I've always said. But along with dealing with stress, it is very important that we're able to deal and cope with our negative emotions so that we can stay healthy. And for that, we need to find an outlet for ourselves for our negative emotions. तो हमें अपने नेगेटिव इमोशंस के साथ डील करना भी आना चाहिए जिससे हम हेल्दी रहें, और इसके लिए हमें कोई एक ऐसी चीज चाहिए जिससे हम अपने नेगेटिव इमोशंस को दूर कर सकें. Ignoring a feeling or being stuffed with emotions is very unhealthy. Therefore, it is very important that we find an outlet which can help us to deal with our emotions. And this will be different for different people. For someone it may be singing, for someone it may be dancing, for someone it may be listening to some good music, for someone it may be reading a book, for someone it may be meditation, or for someone it may be some other opportunity to bring fun and joy in their life. So these are some of the very important and healthy habits that we women need to surely adopt in our life so that we can become more healthy, bold, fabulous, and confident. And I know that we women are already very bold and confident and fabulous, but we can be more. So please try to adopt these habits in your life. So that's it for today. आज के लिए इतना ही. Stay healthy, stay happy, and thank you so much for being a part of this healthy journey. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon in the end to get latest updates from Lifestyle Speaks. Don't forget to share this video more and more with your friends and family. इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. Love your life and make it charismatic. See you again next time. Stay safe, stay connected, keep smiling, and keep watching Lifestyle Speaks.